So once again, Mark throws another curveball at me. My plate's already full, and he's having a hard time delegating exactly what I need to get done. First off, the 1971 black Cuda. He wants to get it lifted up on the shop crane so we can get it hoisted around and start getting things disassembled.
So we got the purple sunroof Challenger all painted, detailed, and setting aside for assembly. Meanwhile, I got a phone call from the owner of the Phantasm Cuda, and he's really motivated to get that done. So we're gonna have to focus a lot of attention and really make up some ground fast on that one.
The other thing is, he keeps mentioning to me about this new door and that I need to come in and work on a graphic for it.
We're getting a brand new fire door from Cookson here in just a couple of weeks. One of the things I really got excited about was when I talked to the salesman, he said, if you want, we can do some special graphics, knowing what we do for a living down here. So immediately I started thinking, what would I want on that door?
Our friends out at Wacom actually sent us this marvelous new piece of machinery, and I'm gonna take advantage of this thing.
So for the last 2 years, Josh has been bothering me, bugging me, saying, we need one of these, we need one of these. And it's a Wacom tablet. I don't know everything that it does. I know they're pretty cool. I also know they're kind of spendy. So I put it off, I put off wanting to buy one of these.
It's gonna make the process of drawing up this graphic easy. I mean, you can draw on the screen. Everything is right there at your fingertips, so you don't have to constantly sit there and dibble-dabble on the keyboard. I mean, it's got its own little stylus. I can zoom in, I can change my brush size. The screen, I can rotate it around just by twisting my finger. And I can even adjust the monitor. I can even lift it up all the way if I feel like standing. If I've been sitting too long, I can just lift it up and stand up and draw when it's flat like a table.
So I thought, well, this might be an opportunity to kill two birds with one stone, so to speak. If I can get a good buy on the Wacom tablet and get Josh to do the artwork that I'd have to pay somebody pretty good to make it, why not? All day we got burned into it. Okay.
Dude, I'm doing this for you, man.
Josh was a nerd before, but I think if they have a nerd, now they have like a super nerd. Because all he does is sit there in front of that stupid tablet hour after hour after hour drawing things. He hasn't shown me anything, but he seems to be enjoying it. Again, yeah, all day.
You're wasting my time. I'm doing this for you, okay?
What is that? If you took all day to draw that,
moving on.
Who said they wanted a Chevy Camaro? I can't be happy about that. You took all day to draw that, or is that just a rough picture? It's next. More and I didn't think I could hate the first picture anymore. Go ahead. Garbage. Next. Waste of time. Go.
Dude.
I'm telling you, I've been in here. I'm starting to get pissed off.
I honestly wish that Mark was more like the Wacom. I mean, this thing is just so easy, and it doesn't talk back to you. It doesn't talk crap to you. It's not manipulative. It's just easy. It's easy to work with. Something that Mark definitely has a challenge with. I used to be pretty artistic, so maybe my mind will mix with his and we'll think of something cool. I mean, hopefully that'll make Mark happy, right?
Hey, you're no Rembrandt, okay? I just needed a simple picture. You didn't listen to anything I had to say about the content, the look I wanted. That's better. How long did you spend drawing that?
I don't know.
The other ones are a joke or what? Because they didn't even have the branding that I wanted in them.
So do you like this one, yes or no?
I can live with that one.
So would this be something that you would like to go on that fire door?
Yes. I like
Really?
it. Yep. Overall, I think he did a really good job, especially in the finished product. I think he burned up a lot of daylight playing around with the other pictures that he knew damn good and well I wouldn't like. But the one he did do, he did a good job on it. At least now he's done with it, so he can go back to working on the black car like we need to have done in just a couple of weeks. I'm actually looking really forward to seeing the artwork on the door when Cookson comes down to install it. It's going to be really cool. God, you're looking more like Count Chocula every day.
Hey, I'm glad you like it, man. Finally, one thing we can agree on besides the fact you're a complete. He likes it, though.